Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a booty shot photos in the Poco F5. So now first up, open the camera app, then click on the three line button, and you can see there have time bars, so just tap on it and select your decided function. You can choose the interval and number of the photos, like at 20 and 2 seconds. And now just tap on the shutter button. And this is how it looks. You can also just hold the finger on the shutter button and swipe it to the right. And now we took 20 photos. If you want to pick the best one, click on this icon, select your best shots, and click accept icon. Now decide that you want to keep all the photos or just select it. Now click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.